Welcome to Carpet Stain Pro. My name is Omar and today I'm going to go over our carpet cleaning process. First is our pre-inspection. We inspect your carpets with you to see if any special spots exist that may need extra attention. We check to see what type of fiber your carpets are made of to ensure proper use of the correct cleaning detergents. We also check for any uneven seams, rips, or tears. If we come across anything that would raise concern, we will notify you and decide on how best to proceed with cleaning. Next is our vacuum phase. In this phase, we vacuum your carpets completely to remove any insoluble soils or items such as sand, gravel, ice melt, paper clips, or anything that couldn't be dissolved in our cleaning detergents. This allows the cleaning solutions to work accurately. It also removes as much dry soil as possible before cleaning. Next is the pre-treatment phase. A special cleaning detergent is sprayed onto your carpets that will attract any soils that are present. The soils are attracted to the solution, which during a proper dwell period gathers the soil particles together and prepares them for extraction. The soils are suspended from not just the top of your carpet fiber yarns, but from the very bottom to the surface of the carpet yarns. Next is our agitation phase. The cleaning detergent we apply to your carpets in the pre-treatment phase is now being deepened into your carpet yarns. This stage will make sure the whole carpet fiber will be cleaned from bottom to the top and all soils will be removed. This process gets carpets ready for the next stage. And as you can see, after the pre-inspection, vacuum, and pre-treatment phases and agitation phase, the carpets are looking better already. In the extraction phase, powerful dual-stage vacuum motors apply pressure with the rinse solution to the suspended soils. This only lasts for about a second before the vacuum suction up all the soils, cleaning detergent, and rinse detergent. After each stroke of the rinse detergent, we follow up with the dry stroke to speed up the drying time for your carpets. This ensures you will not be left with a water-soaked carpet after cleaning. Some of our last stages consist of dry assisting, in which we use carpet fans to help with drying your carpets. Spot removal. If there were any spots that needed extra attention such as lipstick, crayon, or ink, we would approach accordingly. And the last is post-inspection, where we walk with you to look over finished clean carpets and to see if you have any questions or concerns. Carpet Stain Pro, now serving areas in Maryland, DC, and Virginia. For more information, we can be reached at 301-363-0665, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m., and on Saturdays, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can also visit us online at carpetstainpro.com. Carpet Stain Pro, your local comfort cleaning specialist. Thank you for watching.